If you're a new or aspiring virtual assistant, this video is just for you. Today, I'm breaking down the must-have tech tools that would help you stay organized, impress your clients, and scale your business. Even if you're just getting started, don't worry, this video is also for you because you'll be gaining a lot of value from this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere, and on this channel, I help you discover smart, easy ways to make money online. So if you're all about making money online the easiest way, you want to hit on the subscribe button and let's get into it. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future videos from me. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with any questions that you have. I do my best to respond. Stick around to the end of this video because I have a bonus tool that can help you make your work 10x easier as a virtual assistant. All right, enough of those J's. Let's dive into it. The first tool is task management software, or often what most persons call project management softwares. VA's best friend is organization, and especially when you have multiple clients and projects at hand, building systems or having systems like this is very important for you. The best task management tool or project management tools that you want to check out is Trello. Trello is great for visual task board. Asana is perfect for Teams collaboration. Monday.com is best for structural workflows. Notion is a mix of notes, database, and to-do lists. So if your clients preferred Asana and you know how to use Notion, you don't have to panic. Most task management tools share similar feature. All you have to do is to spend a few minutes exploring them and you will adapt quickly. Now, if you know how to use any of these or you're on the verge of going to learn them, check this list off by signing up for one of these tools today. Tool number 2, communication and video conferencing. Clear and professional communication is the backbone of every virtual assistant success. Now, here are a few must-have communication tools that you need to know how to use. Now, we have email. Gmail or Outlook is very essential for communication. We have Slack. Slack is best for real-time team messaging. We have Microsoft Teams. This is great for corporate clients. We have Zoom and Google Meet, which is good for clients meeting and presentation. Now, before your first client meeting, I want you to test each of these platforms. Practice muting on Zoom, sending messages on Slack, organizing emails in Gmail or other platforms. This way you would always come across as professional and prepared. And this is one thing I do for my students when I give them tasks on how to do this during our training. Check this off if you have familiarized yourself with this tool. Tool number 3, scheduling and time management. As a VA, you would often manage your own time and your client's time. So scheduling tools are not negotiable. The best scheduling tools you want to check out is Google Calendar, the mostly wide used tool. We have Microsoft Outlook, ideal for corporate clients. We have Calendly. It lets your clients book meeting with you directly. We also have you can book.me, and this helps you to synchronize multiple calendars together. Now, imagine a scenario that your client asks you to consolidate 3 separate calendars into one. Sounds overwhelming, right? Not with the right tool. Scheduling softwares help you to automate so that everything, no matter the meeting or the deadline, you would not miss anything. Now, check this off by setting up a Google Calendar for yourself today so that you know how to do this for a client. Tool number 4, cloud storage and file management. Now, working remotely means you would need a secure and accessible ways to store your file. Cloud storage is the answer. Now, the best cloud storage tools are Google Drive. It is free, easy to use, and integrates with your Gmail and other Google Workspace. We have Dropbox, best for large file storage and sharing. We have Microsoft OneDrive, preferred for corporate clients. So if a client gives you access to their cloud storage, you need to know how to organize their folders, navigate their file efficiently, which leads to professionalism. Check this off by setting up a Google Drive or Dropbox for your VA work. Tool number 5, collaborative document editing. endless email documents. No thanks. Instead, use real-time document collaboration tools. Like essential tools for editing and collaboration would include Google Doc and Google Sheets. This is perfect for live collaboration. We have Microsoft Word and Excel. This is mostly preferred by traditional business owners. We also have Google Slides and Microsoft PowerPoint. This is great for like presentation and all of that. The reason why these two matter is instead of sending multiple versions of the same document via email, you and your clients can edit it in real time. Now, check this off by practicing editing on Google Doc today, and you're almost close to it. Remember, I promised you a bonus too, right? A productivity booster. AI is changing the game for virtual assistants, so use it to work faster and smarter. Here are some must-try AI tools that you need to have at your back, especially as a virtual assistant. We have Grammarly. Instantly helps you to improve your writing and your emails. ChatGPT helps you to research and content driving. Otter.ai converts your audio into text for quick note taking. Now, use AI to assist yourself, but not replace your work. AI can help you with brainstorming, writing draft, and summarizing meeting, but always review the final work yourself. Check this off by experimenting with these different AI tools for 5 minutes today and see how much productive and effective things get for you. Which of these VA tools will you be trying today, or have you tried? So here are the 5 must-have tools plus bonus AI trick to help you succeed as a virtual assistant. We talked about task management, where we mentioned Trello, Asana, Monday.com, and Notion. Communication, where we looked at Slack, Teams, Zoom, and Gmail. For scheduling and time management, we're looking at Google Calendar, Calendly, and Acuity. For cloud storage, we looked at Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. For collaborative tools, Google Doc, Google Sheet, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. And for the bonus AI, we looked at Grammarly and ChatGPT. Comment below which tool you're most excited to try out or you're already trying out. Do you have a favorite tool as a virtual assistant or as an upcoming virtual assistant that I did not mention? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who needs it. Don't keep the secret to yourself. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more tips on making money online the easiest way. If you want to become a virtual assistant in just 45 days, then you want to join my 45 days virtual assistant training. In this training, I would personally guide you, hold you by your hand, teach you step by step on how to become a virtual assistant. Check the description or use the link somewhere in my account to sign up. I can't wait to see you in class. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the one. Happy freelancing. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next. Happy freelancing.